Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll do the 8K video extreme test temperature comparison between the Oneplus Nord 2 versus the Realme X7 Max device. So in this video, I'll try to play the 8K video non-stop for about 30 minutes of time, and during this time I'll try to use the full brightness levels. Yes, full brightness levels. Let's see which phone will be having what kind of higher temperatures. That is what I'm going to exactly concentrate in this video. So this is exactly same 8K file which I'm trying to use in both phones, and during this time there is no SIM or there is no Wi-Fi connection. Everything is airplane mode as well. So let's start the test friends without wasting any time. Let's see how much the temperatures the both phones can actually reach after 15 minutes. So I'll try to again come back maybe after 10 minutes as well, just to see how the temperatures are behaving in these both phones. So this is another kind of series which I started to do on the Oneplus Nord 2 regarding the intense stress testing. Intense kind of stressing on the Oneplus Nord 2. Let's see how much higher the temperatures can actually increase. So make sure to comment below friends what are the other videos you want me to compare with. Doing the similar kind of testing, I can definitely do the comparison with other phones as well in case if you are interested. So again, I'll be back after close to 10 or 15 minutes of time, then we can discuss in detail more. So right now as you can see here friends, it's been kind of close to 16 minutes. I think let's check the temperatures, how much it is in both phones. And OnePlus Nord 2 increased up to 42.42 degrees as you can see during this time of demonstration. Not bad. So 42.2 degrees, and the Realme X7 Max 40.6 degrees. It's an extreme full brightness test I'm trying to do. So 40.8, as you can see 40.8 and 41 degrees at this moment. So 41 is the highest so far in the Realme X7 Max it got reached, and 42 degrees is the highest in the OnePlus Nord 2 it got reached during this time of demonstration. Let's see again after 30 minutes of testing how much the temperatures can actually reach during this process. So this is going to be a really interesting test to do. So again, I'll try to do the separate comparison with the three smartphones with the POCO F3 GT as well. So you'll be able to understand how well the POCO F3 GT is able to handle in terms of the temperatures, all those details. I'll try to talk about those details in another video. So again, I'll be back after close to 30 minutes of time. As you can see friends, right now it's been close to more than 30 minutes of playing this both phones in the 8K video non-stop. And the temperatures are, as you can see, 41.4, 41.6, not bad. And OnePlus Nord 2 is having 42.8, and sometimes it did reach up to 43 degrees as well in the OnePlus Nord 2. So right now it's kind of close to 42.6 degrees at this moment, as you can see clearly in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So overall 1 degree is more than the Realme X7 Max device if you compare with the temperatures always. Yes, 1 degree. That's the one thing which I did observe in my testing when I compare side by side. So 1 degree was more than usual when you compare with the Realme X7 Max device. So this with the full brightness. So this with the full brightness which I'm trying to use. And thank you for watching this video friends. This is a quick comparison between both phones. Now you got a clear idea what is happening between the both phones in terms of the temperatures and how much temperatures they are actually increasing. So it doesn't matter what task you do, the temperatures are slightly higher in the OnePlus Nord 2 1 degree more than the Realme X7 Max device. So that's it friends. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. I'll then stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts, don't forget to check the playlist for more details. All the answers will be there in the single playlist. And see you in the next video. Until then, bye.